In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Excel legally. We will be using only official Microsoft tools with no cracks or unauthorized methods involved. This process is safe, reliable, and recommended for users who want a proper and compliant setup. By following these steps carefully, you will be able to set everything up in an organized way and ensure that Microsoft Excel works correctly on your system. To begin, create a dedicated folder on your desktop where all related files will be stored. Right-click on your desktop, select New, and then choose Folder. Name this folder Office 365. Creating this folder first helps keep the process clean and organized from start to finish. Next, open your web browser and search for the Office Customization tool. From the search results, click the official Microsoft link. Once the page loads, you will begin customizing how Microsoft Excel and other Office apps will be set up. First, choose the architecture that matches your system, either 32-bit or 64-bit. After that, select the Office suite you want to use, such as Office 365 or Office 2024. Continue by choosing the version that fits your needs. Once selected, you will see a list of Office applications. Here, you can enable or disable apps depending on what you want included. Make sure Microsoft Excel is selected. After that, choose your preferred language from the available options. When all selections are complete, look to the right side of the page and click Export. This will generate a configuration file in XML format. Go to your Downloads folder, copy the configuration.xml file, and paste it into the Office 365 folder you created earlier. Next, move the Office 365 folder into the C drive. Once that is done, open Command Prompt with administrative privileges. In the Windows search bar, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Inside Command Prompt, type CD followed by a space. Go back to the Office 365 folder, click the address bar in File Explorer, copy the full path, paste it after CD, and press Enter. Once you are in the correct directory, type setup/configure configuration.xml and press Enter. The process will begin and may take several minutes depending on your connection and selected apps. Once complete, open Microsoft Excel or another Office app to confirm everything works properly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.